This is the practical session, the DC compound generator, experiment 5. In this experiment, we will use both the series and shunt coil in our generator. This is the circuit diagram. This one. I simplified it to be this one. I have the shunt coil in parallel with the armature and the series coil here going to our load. So we are using both coils. I am having the stator here. It has two coils, the shunt, this one 5-6, and the series. Both of the coils are producing magnetic field. 1-2, the armature is inside the stator. At first we will start by connecting our prime mover, which is the synchronous motor. The power supply is going to the first terminal of the coils, then the other terminals are shorted, and from the 8 and N the fixed power supply to the exciter of the motor. This is the prime mover. This is what makes the generator to move. Now let me simplify the circuit by using this one. So I have the shunt field in series with the field rheostat. The shunt field is in series with the field rheostat. So this one in series with this one. The field rheostat in series with the shunt coil by connecting it from 6 to 7. Then both of them are in parallel with 1 and 2, the terminals of the armature. So both of them are parallel to 1 and 2. Now the series field or the series coil from 3 to either 1 or 5, because they are connected in one wire. So from 3 to 5, for example. Okay. Then from 4 to the ammeter. From 4 to the ammeter. From 4 to 2.5 from the ammeter, and from minus ammeter to R load, then from negative R load to either 2 or 8, because they are connecting in one point. So from minus ammeter to the positive side of the resistor, and from the other side to either 8 or 2. So the connection will be like this. After that, the voltmeter is connected to the resistive load to measure the terminal voltage of the generator, which is connected to the load directly. Before I turn on the power supply, I have to make sure that all the switches that I am using is off. I'm not using this one, but just in case. So all of them are off. Then start the power supply. Now you see the voltage is nearly 170. So what I have to do is just adjust the field rheostat until the generated voltage is 120. Then never change the field rheostat again. So keep it fixed. Now I will start filling the stable. So at no load, the voltage is 120 and they have no current. So at 600 ohm, the voltage is still the same and the current is almost 0.25. Then I will keep adjusting the resistive load and recording the armature current and the generated voltage then calculating the power generated. This is the cumulative compound, where the shunt coil and the series coil are helping each other to produce a flux here. But what happens if I switch the terminals of the series field? So the series field will oppose the shunt field. What I have to do is turn off the power supply, then return the field restart at the minimum. Now I made the short to be like this, so I will change the series coil, the terminals of the series coil to be like this. Then I will start the power supply, then adjusting the field restart until the voltmeter is reading 120. Okay, so 120, 0 voltage at no load. Then at 600, almost 110 and 0.1. Then I will keep adjusting the resistors and recording the value. Thank you so much.